Hi, my name is Brittany Lynn, and I will be showing you how to create a formative assessment using the game-based platform Kahoot. The first thing you will need to do is to go to your preferred internet browser. I'm using Safari, and in the address bar, you will click and type create.kahoot.it. Once you have reached the login screen, you will enter your credentials and click Log In. Once you have reached the main screen, you will click on New K in the upper right-hand corner. Once you have clicked New K, you will then choose what type of Kahoot you would like to create. For this tutorial, we are going to select Quiz. Once you have selected Quiz, we need to set up the assessment. The first thing it asks for is a title. I chose the title Animals. Next, we need a description. I typed a science Kahoot for second graders used to assess knowledge of animal characteristics. You can also use hashtags so that these terms can be searched by other Kahoot users at a later time. There are a few more pieces of information needed before we can add questions to our quiz. The first of those is to decide who this quiz will be visible to. As you can see right now, it says only me. We are going to click on the drop-down arrow and change that to everyone. Next we have language. In the box is listed English, so we're going to leave it as is. In the next box is audience. We're going to click the drop-down arrow and select school. The last bit of information needed are credit resources. If for some reason you are unsure about what a title means, you can click on the little question mark. And as you can see, for this section, credit your sources by adding their names, links, or textbook references here. There's only one more bit of information needed before we can add questions to our quiz, and that is to add a cover image. If you already have an image saved to your computer and would like to use that image, I can show you how to upload that now. If not, this is not a requirement and you can always come back and add that at a later time. What we will do is to click the image with the mountains and sun. Once you have clicked on the mountain image, a screen like this will appear. We are going to search for my photo, and I will type in animal, and as you can see, my photo has popped up. I'm going to click on the photo, and then I'm going to select. As you can see, I now have a cover image displayed. The next step is to click OK Go in the upper right-hand corner. Now the fun begins. We will begin adding questions. What you need to do is click on the plus sign in the purple circle above Add Question. The first thing we need to do is enter our question. My assessment is on animals, so I chose the question, which animal is a mammal? Next, we need to decide how much time we want to give our students to answer the question. There's a drop-down arrow in which you can click and choose how long you would like to give your students. I'm going to keep it at 20 seconds. Then you also need to decide if you would like to award points or not. I'm going to leave that as yes. Next, we need to give the students answer choices. There are 4 possible answer choices to enter. As you can see, I entered the choices parrot, spider, dog, and turtle. Just be sure that one of your choices is the correct answer. Now that we have our answer choices, we need to select the correct answer. Again, my question was, which animal is a mammal? The answer to that question would be dog, answer 3. So I'm going to mark the check mark beside answer 3. After entering our question information, we will click Next in the upper right-hand corner. Once you have clicked Next, you will come to this screen. The next thing for you to do would be to add more questions. To add additional questions, you would simply click on the plus sign in the purple circle above Add Question, and you would add the questions in the same way that we have done the previous question. When you have finished adding questions, you will simply click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. After you have clicked Save, you will come to this screen. Congratulations! You have created a formative assessment using Kahoot. You have several choices after you have completed your Kahoot. You can edit, preview, play, or share your Kahoot. When you are completely finished with your Kahoot, you will click I'm done. I hope this tutorial was able to help you create a formative assessment using Kahoot. Remember, Kahoot can be used in any subject and practically every age group, so have fun with it. Thanks for watching.